Have you ever heard about SportyBet Instant Virtual and you don't know how it works? This video is for you. Right, you have heard about the SportyBet Instant Virtual and it's been difficult for you to make wins. This is the video for you. You also have been trying SportyBet football and been making losses, and then you want to switch to some other instant virtual. This is the video for you. I'm going to be giving you a breakdown analysis on how to navigate to SportyBet instant virtual down to the main one we'll be using for the strategy today, which is SportyBet instant virtual basketball. So I'm going to give you a strategy, or I'm going to give you a good analysis on how and what to look out for before placing a bet on SportyBet instant basketball. The channel is Achanbettips, and then if today is your first time tuning in, do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that each time I drop educational videos like this, it will be you'll be notified, and then you can actually make use of it while it lasts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also if you're not a member on this channel, please do well to click on the join button so that you can be moved to the membership platform, which you have access to immediate videos as they drop, okay, and other benefits down there. So let's go into today's tutorial. I'm going to first of all start with how to navigate to instant virtual. All right, when you come into your SportyBet interface like this, as you can see, this is SportyBet interface. All you need to do is to click on where you find virtuals. This is virtuals. All right, you click on virtuals there, and then this interface will come up. All right, you can either choose to play instant World Cup or Shadow, which I don't even like playing, or instant football. This is instant football. All right, so for me, I am always using I can use World Cup, instant football. Which other one do I like playing? I think I have okay, basketball. Here is basketball. I work a lot with basketball, and then instant dog racing. Those are the ones I really work with. But for today, I'll be using instant basketball. This is the one we'll be working with. So follow me carefully as I navigate you down into it. So you click on instant basketball. Wait for it to load. Now I always have a set of rules that you need to observe. I always say first that the first thing to check out is that make sure you have a good and strong network. And then after getting to know that, you must have a staking plan. Okay, staking plan is if I'm using 10 naira to stake, which my staking plan is always 10%. If I have 1,000 naira in my as my capital, 1,000 naira, I'll be using 100 naira, but I might even use 50 naira personally so that I can maximize profit than losses. So that's my staking plan. I'm always using 10% of my capital, and then if I play once or twice, maybe the first round I lose, the second round I lose, and the third round, okay, the second round I lose, then the third round I'll be applying Martin-Gay formula. Okay, that is a second thing. Now the third thing, now having a strong working network, and then having a staking plan, and then applying Martin-Gay formula when you lose twice or thrice. Okay, and then also if you lose more than 4 times, please don't chase losses, log out and come back later. All right, if perhaps you also if you're making wins, make sure you have a reasonable target, because you can never win all the time. There'll be times you lose, and if you chase losses, you run down your money. Okay, so please, I'm begging you, have a good network, have a staking plan, have a target, have apply Martin-Gay formula when you lose one or two twice, and then last but not least, don't chase losses. All right, I'm talking too much. Let's go into the tutorial for today. Alright, I'm going to play once and then I'll explain how this particular strategy works. I have actually shown you how to navigate SportyBet Instant Virtual. So right now I'm going to actually stake once or twice and then I'll explain how this particular strategy works, okay? So you also can actually benefit from it. Okay, so we go with this. I don't like small odds, but that would have been a safer one. If I'm advising you, you take this, but I'll go for at least something I can apply martingale formula and then make profits. Okay, so let's go with this. All right, I'll be going with 10 now. I pray I just lose this one so that you understand that you can't win all the time on SportyBet Instant Virtual. Okay, you can't win all the time. So don't expect I'm going to give you a strategy that is 100% guaranteed that you're going to win. No, I'm never going to do that. This strategy helps me maximize profit than losses. I win more than lose with this strategy. So that's why I'm actually showing this to you. All right, as you can see, I've lost the first round. This is exactly what I was talking about. We do lose. All right, so but there are reasons to why we lose sometimes. Like that, I was just careless about whatever I was doing. I just wanted to prove to you that if you make mistakes, you will end up losing. So, it's easy to recover. We're going to recover with this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, I'm going to recover with that. Should I use that alone? Okay, let's try something else. Okay, now I have two odds here. So I can recover whatever I lost without applying martingale formula. All right, we're losing the first game, but the second game is actually winning for us. Okay, we're back on track in the first game. So this is a banger. So we've recovered what we lost and made £1 profit. So the strategy is actually working. Let me explain how it works. But please, 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 I want to stress again, please join this channel for you to have access to these videos as they drop. Okay, not for you to wait after 1 week before it drops as a free to air to you. Okay, so please always try your best, to join the channel, and don't forget you can actually give me your feedbacks on the comments, or you can also chat me up on my WhatsApp channel, which I'm going to drop the link on the description or on the comment section of this particular video. Let's go. Now, when you want to get this strategy, all you need to do will be working with stars. Okay, these are stars. Okay, sorry. The stars, as you can see under the team name, they are stars under the team name. Those what we'll be looking at, but we'll be looking at the ones in this row. Okay, we're not checking this other row. Yeah, you can check both works. Okay, but I prefer the ones in this row than this other row. The last game I just played, I used both stars from both rows to actually determine the games I was going to play. All right, this is what you do. Find the lowest stars in this row and this row. So let's check for the lowest. That's the team with the lowest amount of stars. As you can see here, it has just 1 star. So we pick the game. Let's look for another one. Here's another one. Do we have any other one with 1 star? Alright, so let's check the home rule as well. Do we have any game with 1 star? We don't. Okay, we do have this particular game. So I can actually choose to work with these 3 games, but I'm always advising that you use just 1 or 2 games. Just 1 game is enough, okay? Now, if you have these 3 like this, all you need to work with is the lowest, which is this particular one. if I'm asking you to run with it, run with that. Okay? But you know me, I'm always going for high odds, so I'm going to go with the high, all of it. I'm going to go with all of them, but always pick just one. So now I'll click on the first game, which is this other one. I'll click on it first. Now what I'm going to select here is this particular first odd here. Okay, so I'm going to select that, go to the next one and do the same. Okay, so I'm going to select the first odd, go back, and to the last one I'll do the same. Please, you can use just one of the games. Don't use the three. I love using the three. Okay, I'm a risk taker, so that's why I go with that. So let's go with 20 naira. I just want to increase a little bit so you can see how it works. Alright, so the first game is supposed to be over 211.5. The second game is over 208.5, and then the third game is over 211.5. So the first game is already giving us a good vibe. We have about 170 odds already, and then we have the second one we have here. It's already a banger for us, except for the second game, which is 209. Okay, it's also a good one. We've won in that. So I think we've won all. Because the second game, as you can see, it's all green. So this strategy is actually working. I'm going to go one more time, and then I'll call it a wrap in this video. Okay, so we select here. Let's check for another one. We have here. Do we have any other one? I think that's just two. That's just it. So we check for the home row. We have one here, and that is it. So you should go for this one. You should go for that one. But you know me, I'm always going for the bigger odds. So I click on the game, take the very first, go back, click on the second one, do the same thing. Alright, so we go to the last game and do the same. Oh, my network is bad. I fear for this particular game. Once network starts behaving like this, I'm always afraid for the game. Alright, so this is it. Win or lose, I believe you understand the strategy right now. So this is just it. Drop me a comment on which other strategy you want me to work on, and I'll do just that. Okay? I am always giving you what you want. Alright, so I fear for the last game, but let's see what happens. It's just 211.5. See, we've lost the last game. We lost the last game. So we won just one. Alright, so that is just it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.